Title: Family First, Profits Second, Uday's Chartless Trading Triumph. Once upon a time in Mumbai, Uday, a devoted grandson, found himself facing a challenging situation. His beloved grandmother had been hospitalized, requiring his constant attention and care. Uday, a trader by profession, was torn between his commitment to family and the demands of the stock market. Uday had been practicing intraday trading, a time-consuming approach that required constant monitoring and quick decision-making. However, with his grandmother's prolonged hospitalization, he realized that he couldn't afford to be glued to the screen all day. The need for a solution became urgent as doctor recommended a major surgery which requires around 45 days hospitalization and more recovery time. He got panicked and clueless about how he will manage the following challenges. Challenge 1: to take care of his grandmother and devote more time in hospital activities. Challenge 2: to take care of family responsibilities and expenses. Challenge 3: how to focus on intraday trading and quick decision making. Then his friend introduced him to Ujjwal, a seasoned trader and mentor. Uday turned to Ujjwal for guidance on how to balance his family responsibilities and trading aspirations. Ujjwal introduced him to the Chartless trading method, a unique approach that promised success with just 5 minutes a day. With Ujjwal's mentorship, Uday made the bold decision to shift from intraday trading to the Chartless positional method. This method involved analyzing market trends, identifying potential positions, and setting trades without the need for constant monitoring. Uday quickly discovered the power of strategic planning over constant screen time. The transition wasn't without its challenges. Uday had to adapt to a new way of thinking and resist the urge to constantly check market fluctuations. Ujjwal, however, guided him through the process, emphasizing the importance of discipline and patience. As Uday devoted more time to caring for his grandmother, he found solace in the fact that his trades were still thriving through the Chartless method. He could easily spare 5 minutes a day to review and adjust his positions, allowing him to focus on his family without sacrificing his financial goals. To Uday's surprise, the Chartless trading method not only helped him manage his time efficiently but also proved to be more profitable than his previous intraday endeavors. The stress of constant monitoring was replaced with a newfound sense of control and confidence in his trades. Uday's gratitude towards Ujjwal grew as he realized that his mentor's guidance not only transformed his trading approach but also enabled him to be there for his family during a crucial time. The Chartless trading method became Uday's lifeline, allowing him to navigate the unpredictable market while providing unwavering support to his family. In the end, Uday's story was a testament to the effectiveness of the Chartless trading method, a true lifesaver during times of personal and professional challenges. Thank you for watching the video. By the way, this is a real story, and if you like the approach of Chartless method, then hit the like button, comment as awesome and subscribe the channel for more innovative updates.